Just a quick video on determining when you get your D-Lev kit that it's functioning okay, that it didn't get damaged in the mail. Because we got some gorillas out there, and you never know what'll happen. So what you do is you take it out of the box, like I have in one of the videos. You can see that, and you just unbag this set of wires here that was taped down with some bubble wrap here, and then you just bring these out to the front, and you don't have to hook up anything else. All right, so we got these wires here, and that's the ground wire. We don't care about it at the moment. Here's the Toslink fiber optic. We don't care about that. All we care about is the USB dongle, serial dongle. So we'll take a USB charger. This isn't part of the kit. You'll have to supply this, and it'll kind of vary depending on your, the outlets and stuff you have in your country. And we'll plug that in a power strip, and we'll turn on the power strip. And then, so we see that we have the LCD lights up. That's good. And then we have some LED action up here in the tuner, and so that's good. The text on the screen looks normal. I can read it. The numbers look okay. Nothing funky's going on. If I move the knobs, the values on the screen change. So that shows that the encoders are okay. And so let's do an auto calibration. The way we do this is we're on the main D-Lev page, and that's what it should power up at. And we're going to press this knob here, the out. The out corresponds to this knob here. So we'll press it, pull our hands away, and it's done. So you saw that this center LED was blinking when I did the ecal. I'll do it again. See how it blinks? Okay, now it's done. So now what we're looking for is response of the fields. And I guess you saw that the pitch field is responding already, so we know that. And what I'm doing is I'm bringing my hand where the box is back here, and because the coil itself is, even without an antenna connected to it, is sensitive to capacitance changes. So you can see that it's very sensitive, and you could almost play it this way, but you can't really. The field's too small. And then on the volume side, I can bring my hand near where the volume box is and coil, and it's also sensitive to capacitance. So there you go. You can see that all the volume LEDs working sequentially, and the pitch LEDs working sequentially, the octave 7-segment LED behaving correctly, and everything else looks good. So now we're pretty sure that it works right, and we can go ahead and give it a more formal kind of setup and connect the antennas and the ground and the audio and stuff. So that's the quick check. It only takes like a minute. All right, thanks.